to question 40. We're getting into this is the newer stuff from after the third exam. So let's see how this works out. Okay, so we've got an observer on the cliff. We've got the picture set up for us. We have an angle of depression of 48 degrees, which ends up being one of the angles in the triangle. And then someone's in a helicopter. They've got the angle of depression of 59, which is this angle of the triangle. The distance from the helicopter to the boat is 265 meters. Provide a trigonometric expression that could be used to compute the distance from the observer on the cliff to the boat. So what could compute this? Well, we can use what's called the law of sines, because we've got an angle and a side opposite, an angle, and we're trying to find the side opposite. So from our formula sheet, what we're looking at is law of sines right here. So the length over the sine of the angle, length over side of the angle of the triangle. Let's see, do they have the triangle here? No, they don't provide the triangle, but so it's the angle side opposite. So what we can do is we can say this 265 meters divided by the sine of 48 degrees is equal to question mark. Call it x because that makes it more right for doing a formula. Why not just use the question mark? That's fine. Divided by the sine of 59 degrees. So we multiply both sides by the sine of 59 degrees, and what that gives us is we get this statement here on the left, 265. Make it a little nicer. $265 with the sine of 48 times the sine Now for this particular question, that's all they're asking for is the trigonometric expression. So we're sort of done. But just to, in engineering and such, we might need to figure that what the distance actually is. Maybe this person has, I don't know, rope that they're going to send down to them. For some reason, maybe they just need to know. So we actually need to find the length of this side. We would enter this into our calculator as 265 times the sine. Now notice we are in radian mode. This is in degrees, so we're going to have to go to mode. We're going to have to change from radians to degrees, hit enter. Now we're in degree mode, and it shows degree up here. Second quit to get back here. Arrow over. 265 times the sine gives me the parentheses sine of 59, and now we know this is in degrees, so that's very important, divided by the sine of 48 degrees, and that should be 305. So maybe it is drawn to scale. If we needed to solve for it, that 305.7 meters rounded. Okay, they didn't ask for it, but again, and it does, it looks longer, so maybe it is drawn to scale. It should be longer because the size of the angle, the larger angle needs a larger side. It's just the way that the physical sides of a triangle. So a smaller angle should have a smaller side. Anyway, for what the question was asking, this is the correct answer, but we could also finish it up to there.